So this is where it all starts. Colorado hail. Gotta love it. We'll be on the hunt for getting something new. Hopefully, at some point. See what we can find. And you guys can see. I'll put some pictures in there too. Done. Totaled. Alright, so here's the other one. Gabe's car. Colorado hail. Yes. Hopefully we'll be able to find something. But yeah, his stuff got destroyed. First thing we're gonna be looking at is this 2008 335i. Pretty clean. Super nice, convertible. Yeah, this is my speed. Right here. Okay. Yeah, this is nice. So, we've been looking around. Haven't found a lot. We found that BMW.
What year was that one?
It was a 2008. It was a 335 Ci, so it's the convertible. And we're here now to look at a 535. Hopefully, not too bad. I think it's got like 90,000 miles, but really want a 335i. Haven't really found anything for Gabe. Found like a lot of WRXs for $25,000, but we're not.
No, yeah. Not price range. Sorry.
15 to 10. 15 to 10. Less than 10, even better. That's pretty much the update for now. Here's the 535i. It's got the same engine as the other one that I wanted. It's just a lot bigger and a lot nicer. It's got the all-wheel drive. Beautiful. I'll show you the interior. So it's got navigation, sport shifter, huge back seat, Cisco in it. It's great. Beautiful. I think I might even, dare I say it, like it more than the 335i just based on comfort. Considering I'm used to my Maxima, I think it's gonna be a hard decision between the 5 Series and the 3 Series. This is what Gabe's looking at. Volkswagen GLI 2016. Pretty clean. Super nice. You in love, Gabe? Alright everyone, well as you can see we didn't end up purchasing anything. I would have liked to have gotten more footage of us actually driving the vehicles, but it was a little bit hard to coordinate. I just got another camera. I'm still working on getting that all set up. But thank you for watching my first vlog. I'm sure they'll get better as time goes on. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. In the comments, leave any suggestions for vehicles or things you'd like me to film in the future. Thanks. No, I shouldn't say thanks. It's like leaving a voicemail.
You can cut the thanks out.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.